Hey, this is Lex, and I don't remember what I ordered in the mail. It's not Girl Scout cookies. It's not s'mores, graham sandwich, chocolatey, marshmallowy filling. It's not that. But we will find out what it is and do it on camera. This is really hard. Like, how do people do unboxing videos for like stuff? Like, this is a fairly sizable box. It's big. Like, it's hard to even show on camera. And I'm not good at opening things with knives the way Will is. I always use scissors, which is like not the best way to do it, really. But I'm scared of his like pocket knives. Okay. Let's see what we got here. What is in here? This is really hard to see. What is this? What did I buy? Where did this come from? Did I even buy this? That's the next question. This kind of looks like, let's see if I can flip this way. This kind of looks like Disney stuff. Let's see. It is Disney stuff. This is, I think this is vinylmations that I ordered that somebody already unboxed, so I know exactly what I'm getting. It is. Now I remember what these are. So that's Wreck-It Ralph, Disney vinylmation. I'll set him over here. Let's see if I can open. This other one should be, oh my gosh, it's going to be Vanelope. It should be Vanelope Von Schweet. This is super exciting. I totally forgot about these because I've been waiting for a while to get these, I think. So I forgot I had even purchased them. No, Vanelope! She's so cute! I like these 50th anniversary boxes too with the shiny silver. Look at Vanelope and Wreck-It. I'm gonna wreck it. Oh my gosh, I'm happy. Okay. And then, oh, and my ears. That's right, I got ears too. I got orange bird ears. Let me get this out of the way. Let's see my ears. Let's see my big fancy ears on camera. I am a complete sucker for some collectible loungefly Disney ears. I spend far too much time selling on Whatnot and far too much time then rebuying things with the money I earn on Whatnot from Whatnot. Ooh, look at my loungefly ears. Look how cute they are. They got all their original tags. That's my orange bird.